Everyone, in today's video I got a really cool iPhone accessory that I got for about 15 bucks. I ordered it on eBay. I was kind of looking for like really cool like iPhone stuff, so I always search like random stuff on eBay. I'll put like iPhone tool holder or I don't know, like random stuff, and then I found this. This was a really cool iPhone accessory or tool or whatever you want to call it, but it's 15 bucks. I'll have a link down below where you guys can buy it, and I'll show you guys what it is. Let me cut this off camera real quick, or I don't know, like it's really strong plastic. Oh, never mind, it's just the box itself. So yeah, it's really strong packaging. So that's what it is. It's basically like an iPhone holder, especially if you're doing like smartphone repair. So this is really come in handy because I do a lot of iPhone 6, 6S, 6S Plus model phones. So I get a lot of those because a lot of people don't like upgrading. So wow, it's bigger than I thought. It's about that size. You lift it up. Got the measurement of the phone up top. I'll give you a sample, but this is what you get. It's really cool. It looks like a futuristic car. Oh, the tools are nice. I thought they were gonna be like really small, but get the plus right here. You get the minus, and you get the star. So this is like standard iPhone 6 tools. So yeah, that's really cool for 15 bucks. Let me get like a random like iPhone 6 real quick. It won't work for the 7 and higher models just because they open like a book. So we got like an iPhone 6 I don't care about. I'll just show you how it looks. So something like that. Sorry. So you won't be able, it won't move around, and it's really cool for 15 bucks. So if you guys are interested, there'll be a link down below. And yeah, there's gonna be a quick video. Hope you guys enjoy, and peace out.